welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Radhika and I'm so happy to have you here with me. Welcome back to another video. I recorded a few clips here and there on Sunday and Monday, and today is Thursday. So I'm recording my intro today, right now. So basically, let me start with the out-of-town getaway. We had booked a villa on Stay Vista last year for a bachelor's basically, and the villa was so bad. It was so bad. Like there was leakage and it was just disgusting. We couldn't sleep we couldn't sleep on the bed. The entire ceiling was like falling down. It was horrible. Like it was really bad. And on top of all of that, there was 10,000 rupees stolen, cash stolen from another friend's bag, like a handbag. Somebody stole 10,000 rupees from that. And the villa had cameras, like the CCTV cameras, and none of them were working. So they didn't even have footage of, who may have taken it, may not have taken it. And it was just a whole mess. And the next morning when when I complained to the Stay Vista people, money's gotten stolen, the property's in shambles, you've charged us a bomb for it. And they, I think, informed the owner, who sent cops. Literally, they have sent cops, to like scare us. And this was Lonavala. So like the Lonavala, the local police station ka police has arrived. And it was a whole shit show. Like we were so pissed off. And obviously, like we came back and I wrote them a couple of emails and stuff. And so they told me that, we'll within this 1 year, we'll give you a list of villas you can choose from, and you could like do like a complimentary stay or whatever. You just have to pay for the food. So we're like, okay. So the same group of friends, we decided to go there. And that was this friend's bachelor's, and this trip we had his wife with us. So that was nice. We went to Karjat. We chose a villa in Karjat, which looked fab in pictures. It was just a very average villa. Like I couldn't care less. Like I don't think I'll ever like stay with Stay Vista ever again. Like this is a public notice, Janhit mein jari. If you're ever staying with Stay Vista, please make sure like to check the reviews and whatever. They just don't maintain their villas. And the second time, and this was a complimentary stay, and we had an infant with us, and we were just like, please make sure everything is clean and things like that. And the staff, like the caretakers, were really nice of this villa. But I mean, what can you do? Like if the villa is like there's seepage in the walls and things like that, वो लोग भी क्या ही कर लेंगे बेचारे. It was okay. It was a good getaway for a night. It was in Karjat, right? So we decided to just go to Salt for like a lunch, like while on our way back to Bombay. The lunch, as usual, is fab. Oleander Farms is beautiful, and if I had the time, I would have like stayed at Oleander only. It was so good. The food was so nice. And this morning, I met my best friend after 2 months today, and we stay in the same city. But life is just busy. It's so sad. Like these are people that you're used to seeing like every second day, of your life. And then suddenly it's been 2 months and you've not met. We just went Dakshanayan in Juhu for like a nice South Indian breakfast. And after that, we went to Masa Bakery for a matcha. And it was so nice and wholesome. And we just got like barely 2.5 hours together. And it's never enough. But I was just so happy to see her. Something very exciting is happening tomorrow. I don't know whether I should mention it because I don't know how it's going to go, but it's a very exciting day for me, and I am so nervous. It's not something I have ever done before, so I'm super duper excited and super duper nervous. And on top of all of that, my period is due tomorrow, so I'm just like, I'm just feeling so down in the dumps. I will not suffer. I'm not going to let my day go to shit. I have to make the most of it. And if I need to take a tablet, fuck it. Like I'm just going to go take a tablet and power through. It's going to be a long day tomorrow. It's going to be a very exciting day tomorrow. And day after is the first day of Ganpati. So that's exciting once again. This would be the 28th year at my parents' home keeping Ganpati. I really look forward to Ganpati. This is going to be a choto vlog, but I'm so glad to have you here. Have I already mentioned that? And I'm so happy that you are watching my videos, whoever is watching, even if it's a few of you. I'm so happy that you're watching. It really does motivate me to put myself out there a little bit more. I am trying my best to just be out there and not listen to the voices in my head and outside my head, because look, I'm a 30-year-old that is experimenting with something very entirely different, and I don't know anyone who does something like this. So it's just a little bit for me to put myself out there this way. Like I said, I don't know anyone who does something like this, so it's a new experience. A lot of people in my life don't get it. I also do know that some people don't necessarily have nice things to say about this. It's fine. Like, I'm just doing this for me, and चल गया तो चल गया भाई, नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. Like I mentioned in the several videos in the past, I'm in a very YOLO phase of my life. I'm 31, okay, and I have contemplated the shit out of my life for so many years and for so many things that now I'm just like done boss. Like I could care less. तुमको जो सोचना है सोचो. I'm gonna do what I want to do. That's just how I feel right now. I will take you through the rest of my day. You scared me. What? Also, it's Teacher's Day, so my husband has decided to wish me. No, he's not. Happy Teacher's Day to whoever's watching and is a teacher. You're doing a kick-ass job, and I have so much respect for teachers.
Oh my god, looking disgusting.
I think people say yuck and all that.
It's going to be yuck. It's smelling bad. It's good,
Yeah, the first taste is tiny.
It's actually good.
But then after the coffee is nice.
It's actually good. What the hell? It's actually very nice. It's a hit, guys. You can try
Yakult coffee.
Yeah, it's pouring outside, and that's perfect because that just means that Ganpati Bappa is coming very soon. I am heating up aloo parathas for myself. That's my dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please keep the love coming, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.